So in this video, we are going to talk about operations in scientific notation. So I'm going to split it up. We're going to talk about adding and subtracting in this video. In the next video, we'll talk about multiplying and dividing. Because with adding and subtracting, you start by looking at the exponent. So adding and subtracting start by, we're going to actually be more specific than matching. We're going to say, more specific than looking, we're going to say start by matching the exponents. The question is, how do you do that? Well, let's look at this example and we'll get there. So right now my exponents are not matching. I've got 10 to the fourth and 10 to the third. If I move, I always want to look at my smaller exponent and move it up to the bigger one. So looking at this one, my smaller exponent is 3. To get it to 4, I need to move it 1, right? So I'm going to do that same thing with my decimal. I'm going to move that decimal over 1, okay? I'm going to rewrite this now. So I have 2.3 times 10 to the fourth minus 0.19 times 10 to the fourth. Now you'll notice that my two exponents are matching. Now that I have matching exponents, I'm going to do my operation. So I'm going to do 2.3 minus 0.19. So that's on a scratch piece of paper here. I've just done it off to the side. We've got 2.11, so 2.11, and then to keep it in scientific notation, all I have to do is maintain my exponent, so times 10 to the fourth. So by adding and subtracting numbers in scientific notation, you need to start by matching the exponents, always moving the smaller. And then from there, you can perform your operation and maintain or keep the power of 10. So hopefully this video helped you clarify how to add and subtract numbers in scientific notation.